Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha and you're watching The Divine Style. If you're new to my channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button. With that, hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And in today's video, I'll be recreating Deepika Padukone's this look right here. And yeah, if you're interested to know how I get this look and if I am successful in getting this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with a good facial serum, I'll be using this vitamin C facial serum from Fishcare. Now I'll warm it between my hands and apply it on my face in a dabbing motion. Now I don't rub it, I dab it on my face. Next up, I'll be using this Vela Vita Organic Skin Solve Butter Balm and again apply it on my face in a dabbing motion. Next up, I'll be using this Garnier serum infused moisturizer and rub it on my face and gently massage it. I love this moisturizer really very much because it is really very moisturizing, and the fact that it contains serum in it makes it more moisturizing. Then I'll be using this NY Bae primer. Now I've been using this primer lately, like 1 or 2 times I've already used it, and I've noticed that it literally blurs out my pores really very well. I just love this primer. Next up, I'll be using this Pearl Illuminator from Swiss Beauty. Now I want a very dewy and glowy look, so that is why I'm using an illuminator before applying a foundation. I massage it all over my face, and then moving on to my brows, I'll be using this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline New York. Using the pencil side, first I'll draw my brows, and then next up, after drawing my brows, I'll be using the powder side and I'll fill in all the gaps of my eyebrows. This pencil is super nice. It is very handy, and the fact that you get the powder side with it, it makes it more nice. Then I'll be using the Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 47 Borgia and apply it all over my face. Using the brush from Miniso India, I'll be blending all my foundation in. Then I'll be using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 01 and apply it around my mouth, especially where I have hyperpigmentation, and also under my eyes so as to hide my dark circles. And using the same foundation brush, I'll quickly blend all the concealer into my skin. Next up, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and highlight my under eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and also the upper lip part. This concealer is super pigmented. I literally love it because it gives me such a nice coverage, and also the fact that it does not make your skin look cakey, does not crease very easily. And yeah, I just love this concealer really very much. Next up, I'll be using this contour stick from Sugar. This is in the shade 02 Espresso Edge, and I'll contour all the necessary points of my face. Using a beauty blender, I'll blend all the contour very properly. I did not use a brush because I think using a beauty blender blends the contour more very properly. So yeah. Next up, I'll be using this Fit Me compact powder, and using a fluffy brush, I'll use it under my eye so that it does not crease. I'll also use it around my mouth, and leftover will be applied on my forehead. Next up, I'll be using this fixer from Swiss Beauty. I'll spray it all over my face. Then I'll be using this face palette from Sugar. Using the blush, I take it from cheeks to my temple so as to give my face uplifted look. Then using the highlighter from the same palette, I go up to my temples. Then I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Cuffs and Lashes and taking a transition shade, which is a very light brown shade. I apply it just above my crease. I blend it really very well. Next up, I'll be using this black shade from the same palette and apply it on my eyelid. I'll blend both the shades together really very well. Blending is the key rule, guys. You need to blend and blend. Next up, I'll be using a dark brown shade. Not exactly a dark brown shade, somewhere in between the first and the dark brown shade. And I'll blend both the shades together. Lastly, I'll be taking this black shimmery shade and apply it on my eyelids using my fingers. Then I'll be using this mascara from Beauty People. Now lastly, I'll be using this lip color from Color Bar. So this is the final look, you guys. Hope you like this video, and I hope this matched somewhat like Deepika Padukone's makeup. And yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.